Oh, hi everyone! Here in Washington, D.C., the weather changes often. One day is cold and windy, but the next day is warm and sunny. So every day I check the forecast. Hello, phone. What is today's temperature?
Today it is 18 degrees.
18 degrees? That is cold.
18 degrees Celsius.
Oh, Celsius. That is 65 degrees Fahrenheit. That's warm.
Yes, Anna, it is warm.
Excuse me, phone. Is it windy today?
No, it is not windy today.
Is it sunny today?
Yes, Anna, it is sunny.
Excuse me, phone.
Yes, Anna.
Is it snowy today?
No, Anna, it is not snowy.
Thank you, phone. Today, the weather is warm and sunny. Great for seeing Washington, D.C. Phone, it is not warm and sunny. It is cold and windy and snowy.
Anna, it is not cold, windy, or snowy. It is warm and sunny in Mexico City, Mexico.
Oh, I see. Mexico. Washington weather changes often. Remember to check the forecast. The right forecast.
Yes, Anna. Next time, remember to check the
Okay,
right
thank you,
forecast.
phone. Goodbye, phone. Until next time.
Yes,